Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, July 25, 2022. Friday, the markets sold off after a strong week. So the markets marched higher all week last week. Then Friday, we got our first red candle of the week. And that's a pattern that we can look at within Discover. So that's what we're going to be doing this morning. Let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to grab all four instruments. The setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, to do this study, I'm going to start with an opening filter. We are trading higher in the overnight session, so I'm going to go gap up in the opening filters library. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library and describe the action from last week, where last week we were closing higher coming into Friday, but then we had a red candle on Friday giving us a down day. So we have a pattern that is right here in the new high section under active today. You can see at this top option here, down day following a 5-day high close. So that means Thursday would have been the highest close of the past 5 days, and then Friday was a down day. A down day is just a day where you close below the opening print. So that took place. That describes kind of the action that we saw last week. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the indicators library. I'm going to say that we closed below a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to go to the calendar library, and I'm going to say that today is Monday. That way we can have that 5-day high close being on a Friday. So you get a strong week that closes down a little bit on Friday, followed by an up gap on Monday. All right, now I can click View Results. All right, here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when it is a Monday and you are gapping up. And the prior session was a red candlestick that was on the heels of a 5-day high close and below 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we've got 18 samples here in the S&P, so fairly small sample size of this pattern. 13 for the NASDAQ, 10 for the Dow, 17 for the Russell. Win rates on these are mostly skewed higher, so S&P coming in at 61% of these have closed above the opening print for the session. For the NASDAQ, 54%, for the Dow, 70%, and for the Russell, 65%. If we look at the average moves, they're pretty similar in size here for the S&P. The average win's just a little bit larger. NASDAQ has a larger average win. Dow has a larger average win. Russell has a larger average win. So all four of them have at least a slightly larger average win, and the win rates are skewed a little bit higher as a group here as well. So we don't have a whole lot of samples, but the samples that we do have for this pattern have leaned a little bit more towards the bullish side. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.